Hey everyone! So Ariana Slime Boutique just sent us this huge box of fidgets to review for you guys. But before we open any of these products, make sure to go over to the link in our bio and then click on the shop Ariana Slime Boutique. Wow, look at all the fidgets they sell in their shop. Oh my gosh, they even sell slime lickers. Also even give them a follow down below. So the first thing we're gonna open is this 5-pack of mochis. It's actually mystery, so we're super excited. Let's open it. Oh my gosh, they're in blind bags. Whoa. First one. Oh my gosh, this mochi is so cute. Next one. Oh my gosh, a bunny. And the last three. Oh my gosh, guys, these mochis are so soft and cute. The next thing they sent us was this glow-in-the-dark Neato. I'm so excited, so let's unbox it. Oh my gosh, guys, this is so cool. I love how it's just pure white. Let's test it in the dark. This is so cool. It's even way better off camera. Anyways, next is this red Among Us dimple. Guys, this dimple is so cool. Next is this pink swirl Neato. Let's unbox it. Guys, this is like pink and purple, and it kind of feels like a dough ball. Next is a textured monkey noodle. I never had one before, so I'm so excited. Wow, the texture on this is so amazing. Next thing is a slime putty. Let's unbox it. Oh my gosh, this is so cool. Guys, I've always wanted one of these and they met my expectations. Next is magnetic rings. Guys, these are so cool. The magnetic is so good on these. Next is this infinity cube, and I love how they have their logo on there. Guys, this blue color looks so good, and most of the infinity cubes are like little, and this one is so good and big. A triple dimple. Guys, this has a loud side. Then they sent us this rainbow heart poppet. Oh my gosh, guys, this sound is so satisfying. They also included the splat ball, and I'm so happy because my other one popped. Guys, I missed this splat ball, and this is actually so good. The last things they sent us were this extra baggie and this strawberry slime, which we'll be using in a new video. If you want any of these fidgets, make sure to go check the link in our bio and follow their TikTok down below.